Good morning. This is Terry here at Two Rooster Farm. Today is zucchini picking day. Probably like a lot of people at this time of year, we have lots of zucchini that we need to do something with. So I'm going to be picking some right now, and then I'm going to be showing you how I make a few recipes with zucchini. One of them is a zucchini cake with orange glaze, and the other one is my favorite zucchini relish recipe. So I'm going to go pick some zucchini now. So I picked a few zucchini. I know I needed about 4 to 6 medium zucchinis for my relish and about 2 cups of shredded zucchini for my cake. Start by setting your oven to 350 degrees. You're going to chop your zucchini up, so you're just going to chop the ends off. You're going to cut it in half. No need to peel the skin. I grate the skin along with it into my recipe and scoop out the seeds. These are nice big zucchini. Don't throw out the seeds if you got animals, because they're going to love to eat whatever you don't need. This recipe calls for 2 cups of grated zucchini. I have this really nice grater. Works really great. I use it all the time. Use whatever you have. You can use your food processor. You could use a hand grater. 2 cups of grated zucchini. This is a quick scan of some of the ingredients you're going to need. I like to use fresh when possible, so I make my own orange juice. And I have fresh ginger, raisins, pecans, and walnuts, and of course the flour sugar. I'm making my orange juice here, so I just add some orange pieces to my blender and pulse it quickly just to have a nice pulpy orange juice. One cup of pulpy orange juice is what you need for the recipe. I'm going to put together, first I'm going to cut the ginger. So just a little knob of ginger, peel off the skin. You can grate it if you like. I don't. I just cut it as small as I can. Don't know whether you can hear it. My dog is snoring in the background. Hey, Ruby. So 2 teaspoons of grated ginger or chopped ginger. You're going to start to prepare your wet ingredients. So pour in your 1 cup of pulpy orange juice, 2 tablespoons of applesauce, 2 teaspoons of the grated ginger there, need a 1/2 cup of oil. I used virgin olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Give that a little stir. You're going to add your dry ingredients to your mix master. Need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, add your wet ingredients, and just mix it till combined. Then fold in your zucchini. I just still keep using my Mix Master, my KitchenAid here. Don't have to mix it, you just have to basically mix it till it's all combined there. So mix in your zucchini. I've added walnuts and pecans. A cup mixed. And raisins. Gonna prep our pan. Just get a little bit of olive oil and wipe the inside of your container. Then I put a little bit of flour in it and spread that around. And then you're just going to add your zucchini mixture. Just spread it all around evenly. And then you're going to put it in your oven that's been preheated, 350 degrees. Here I've made the glaze. I like it quite runny. It looks really good when you first put it on the cake because it's nice and bright and yellow, but it does go a little pale here, but it's still really, really good. Now we're gonna make the zucchini relish. There's a little bit of prep time for this because you need to basically shred all your zucchini and add your onions and green pepper, and then you're going to put a 1/4 cup of pickling salt and cover it with water, and you're going to let it sit overnight. So here I am just cutting my peppers. I like to put a mixture. You need 1 medium yellow onion. I know I have quite a few onions shown there, but I just used 1 onion. Use my food processor to chop it up. You can chop it up how big you want it. I just like them chopped a little bit smaller. So here we go. Combine the zucchini, onion, and pour the salt on here. So sprinkle the salt on, mix it by hand to get the salt combined with it. Add some water just to cover it, just so it's just, the water's just risen a little bit above the ingredients. That's it. Next day. You're going to pour your zucchini mixture into a colander, rinse thoroughly, and drain thoroughly. Here's my ingredients for my relish. You're going to add 3 cups of granulated sugar, and this is apple cider vinegar, 2 cups, 2 teaspoons of celery seed, that is my turmeric, 2 teaspoons of ground turmeric, teaspoon of coriander seeds, and 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, and half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Give it a stir, turn your heat on to high and bring it to boil. When it's boiling, you need to add your zucchini mixture. I turned the heat down because it took me a few minutes to get all the zucchini into it, and I didn't want it to burn. So just pour all your zucchini in. Combine it with the liquid until it's all combined. Bring it back to a boil and simmer for about 10 minutes. Then you're ready to put it into your prepped jars. And here we are putting it into our sterilized jars. Fill each jar to about half an inch from the top. Make sure the lid and the top of the jar is all clean. Put your lids on and put it into your water bath cooler. That is at a rolling boil. Boil it for 15 minutes. Take the lid off the canner and let the jar sit in the canner for about another 5 minutes, and then you can remove them to a rack and let them cool. Well, it's the afternoon now, and I'm all finished making my 2 zucchini recipes. We had the cake for dessert for lunch, and I've got lots of zucchini relish to put away for the winter. It really feels good to be able to go out in the morning and pick your own ingredients that you grew yourself and bring them in the house and make 2 yummy, delicious recipes. I'm going to spend the afternoon, I think, in the sun. It's a beautiful day, and so until next time, this is Terry here at Rooster Farm. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.